Right now, somewhere on your face, a tiny muscle might be firing on its own. Your eyelid flutters. You feel every single pulse. But when you run to a mirror, you can barely see anything at all. It feels like everyone must notice it. They don't. And that mysterious twitch has a name: myokymia. Here's why it happens, and how to actually make it stop. Your eyelid is controlled by one of the fastest, most precise muscles in your entire body. It fires thousands of times a day, every time you blink, without you ever thinking about it. But that precision comes at a price. The nerve controlling it is incredibly sensitive. When that nerve gets irritated, it starts sending tiny, rogue signals. The muscle obeys every single one. The result? A rapid-fire flutter you can feel, but almost never see. Each twitch is a real muscle contraction, just microscopically small. So what irritates that nerve in the first place? For everyday things, and you're probably doing at least two of them. Number 1, caffeine. It makes your nerve cells release calcium more easily, and calcium is exactly what triggers muscle contractions. More coffee means a hair trigger eyelid. Number 2, stress. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol and adrenaline, chemicals designed to keep your muscles ready to fire. Your eyelid takes that order literally. Number 3, screens. When you stare at a screen, your blink rate drops by half. Your eyes dry out, the nerve gets irritated, and the twitching begins. Hours of scrolling is a twitch factory. And number 4, the biggest one, sleep deprivation. Tired nerves are unstable nerves. Scientists still debate exactly why, but the pattern is crystal clear. Bad night, twitchy morning. Here's the strangest part. You cannot stop it by willpower. This muscle is running on a reflex circuit below your conscious control. Staring at it in the mirror and concentrating does absolutely nothing. What actually works? Cut the caffeine afternoon. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Press a warm compress on the eye. And most of all, sleep. Most twitches vanish within days. So when should you worry? Almost never. But if the twitch lasts for many weeks, spreads to other parts of your face, or forces your eyelid to fully close, see a doctor. That's rare, but it's worth checking. The next time your eyelid starts its little dance, remember, it's not a glitch and nobody else can see it. It's just the most sensitive muscle in your body asking you to slow down. If you learned something new, subscribe. Your body has more secrets to tell.